Product name: USB jack. Type: USB 2.0 Type A female. Mount pin distance: 14 mm, 0.55. Pin spacing: 2 mm, 0.08. Total size: 14 by 13 by 7 mm, 0.55 by 0.5 by 0.3. LWH. Material: metal, electronic parts. Main color: white, silver tone. Weight: 34 grams. Package content: 20x USB jack. A thermocouple is a device consisting of two different conductors, usually metal alloys, that produce a voltage proportional to a temperature difference between either end of the pair of conductors. Grounded type is more sensitive to temperature, can help to measure temperature fasterly. 5 by 100 mm sensor PT100 type thermocouple with flexible spring built in 3 terminals for easy connection. Temperature measurement range is from 0 Celsius to 400 Celsius degree. Widely used for industrial or laboratory to test equipment's temperature. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. Once I got the old USB port of the board, it soldered on perfectly. Female USB receptacle. These are meant to be used on circuit boards. I will adapt them for my use with a little modification.